So hello guys, in this video we will be configuring Tailwind CSS in React Vite and we will learn how to seamlessly integrate this powerful CSS framework in your project for efficient and responsive UI design. So whether you are a beginner or seasoned developer, join us to streamline your workflow and unlock the full potential of Tailwind CSS. So first of all, we will be creating a new Vite project if you don't have set up one already. And after that, we'll be moving into that folder directory and we'll be opening that folder into VS Code. Then after that, we'll be opening a terminal in the VS Code and we will be installing Tailwind CSS and its pair dependency that generates your tailwind config.js and post css config.js files. And after that, we'll be initializing Tailwind CSS config file and then we'll be configuring the template path, and we will be doing that by adding all the path of the template files in the tailwind config.js file. Then we will be adding tailwind directives to the index.css file, and after that we'll be start using Tailwind utility classes to style the content, and then we will be running the build process by using the command npm run dev. And as we can see here, the Tailwind CSS is configured in your project and it is ready to use. So thank you and stay tuned for more such content.